Explaining every jutsu in Naruto. Today we're going to be explaining the Flying Raijin. Flying Raijin or Flying Thunder God is a jutsu made by Tobirama Senju, and it's an S rank forbidden jutsu. The user of this jutsu includes Minato Namikaze, Tobirama Senju, and Boruto Uzumaki. Minato will usually use this jutsu with his kunai or use Rasengan with it to deal devastating damage. The target of the Flying Thunder God markings are his kunai, as to use this jutsu you need to leave a marking somewhere, like anywhere. You just have to tap it and you need to create a seal there which acts as a conduit for the Flying Raijin jutsu. And that seal acts as a sort of beacon, as the jutsu requires the user to put himself in the summoning space where the summoning animals are summoned. So user goes to the summoning space himself and use the seal of the Flying Thunder God to essentially navigate that seal and arrive in the area. The move can be done in an instant, or if the user wants it, they can delay the resummoning for a few seconds, as the summoning space doesn't really have a concept of things like space itself. So you can just go anywhere through the summoning jutsu in a few seconds, or if you really want to, you can just put things there for a few seconds, as like we haven't really seen something existing in the summoning space for an extended period of time. Tobirama created this jutsu to counter the Sharingan, as the Sharingan is able to track any movement. So by using this jutsu, Tobirama can just suddenly appear in like next to some Uchiha member or the back and just attack them. He used this jutsu with combination of his sword to kill Madara's brother. And Boruto used this jutsu to go between like dimensions, and that's where we learned that the summoning space can actually exist within any dimensions in Naruto. So that means that this jutsu can be used virtually like anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're in a different like space. We don't know if it can actually allow for time travel or things like that, but from what we know, it probably doesn't.